Very good morning to all my dear students. I welcome you all on this learning platform and our YouTube channel Academy Ambala. Hope you all are enjoying the videos. Now today we are going to study uses of water. That is part 2 of our lesson 17, air and water. Students, we have done the uses of air and its property in previous video. Now we will learn about water. So let's start. So dear children, in this chapter we will learn about water, uses of water and sources of water. So my dear students, as we all know that water is present in wells, lakes, ponds, rivers and ocean. Students, water changes into ice when we keep it in the freezer. Children, water has no color, taste, smell or shape. It takes the shape of the container. Children, let's learn some interesting facts about water. Water boils when we keep it on fire. Water changes into steam or water vapor on boiling. Dear students, now let's learn about the most important part of water, and that is uses of water. Dear students, we drink water. Without water, plants and animals cannot live. We use water in cooking. We wash clothes using water. And we use water for bathing. So dear children, let's learn about sources of water. Rain is the main source of water on earth. Rainwater collects in lakes, rivers, ponds, wells, etc. The sources of our drinking water are rivers and streams. Children, stream means a small or a narrow river. Before drinking this water, it is purified or cleaned. Then we get it from taps at our homes. Students, apart from all this, we should keep some important points in our mind to save the water, and they are, yes, so get repaired all the leaking taps. Take bath with bucket instead of shower. Close the unnecessarily running taps. Turn off the tap while brushing teeth and washing hands. And also the most important point is, do not throw the waste material or any plastic material into the river, ponds or streams, because it makes water unfit for drinking and also harmful for water animals. So children, I hope you enjoyed this concept and also come to know about the importance of water in our daily life. So, not to pollute air and water. We must try to keep them clean. Thank you.